and we're from Miss Obrighter and Sadler's Block 4 class.
Did you know that it takes 50,000 to 75,000 pairs of shoes to create an artificial turf soccer field?
Or did you know that it takes 75,000 pairs of shoes to create a running track?
Our 20% project is called Turning Pennies to Turf.
We decided to host a shoe drive and donate the shoes we collect to Nike's Reuse the Shoe program.
We decided to research this program more. From this research, we learned that they reuse the three main parts of the shoe: the foam, fabric, and rubber.
Then, along with pre-consumer shoe waste, they transform them into Nike Grind, a material used to create athletic and playground surfaces and water.
There are only 2 Nike Grind facilities, one in Memphis, Tennessee, and one in Muirhut, Belgium.
Nike Grind manufactures high-performance surfaces such as tennis and basketball courts.
Also, running tracks, athletic fields, and playgrounds. They encourage you to donate at any convenient time.
We had 2 minor collections along with our main shoe drive. When we posted our flyer that we made to Facebook, a family friend of ours, Susan Duane, spread the word of our shoe drive into her gym, Fitness MD, and they helped us collect 96 pairs of running shoes.
Another minor collection we did was in Courtney's neighborhood. We posted a flyer to her neighborhood Facebook and went around her neighborhood and collected shoes that people left on their porches.
This is a time-lapse of us counting all the shoes we collected. We arrived at Veterans Park North on Saturday, March 28th at about 9 o'clock in the morning to set up all of the posters we had made and tables and boxes for the main shoe drive.
We ended up collecting a total of 78 pairs of shoes, and along the way we saw some familiar faces like Carly Nicholson, Sydney Richardson, and Olivia Schaefer.
One of our major obstacles we had in this project was health, because for a week before our shoe drive, Kenzie was sick and we were unable to plan for it, and then a week after the shoe drive, I was sick and we were unable to take the shoes to Nike right away.
Another problem we had was how many shoes Nike would take at a time. They only took 40, but they told us they'd take 100.
Because they would only take this small amount, we had the problem with storage because both of us had a lot of shoes in our garage, and that also meant we had to take a trip out to Folsom every month, or every week.
Recycling is to convert waste into reusable material.
For this project, we took running shoes and recycled it into Nike Grind, which is then recycled into a running track.
To us, being a global citizen means taking something that otherwise would have been waste and turning it into something that can be used locally and worldwide.
Our original goal when we started this project was to collect 500 pairs of shoes. Unfortunately, we didn't get there, but we got a little bit past halfway and got 268 pairs of shoes.
But we're not done yet. We still have about 200 shoes between the both of us, so we still have to donate the rest of those to Folsom.
Our project was successful and was also not successful. We did collect a lot of shoes, and we learned a lot more about the project and how it's recycled and the effects that it can help. But we're also not successful because we were unable to reach our goal.
One of the main things we learned from this project was the idea of reliability. Reliability between each other and reliability on others, because some people said they were going to come and donate shoes, but they didn't.
And we also learned reliability from Nike because they would tell us one thing, but then when we showed up, they would tell us another thing. Thank you.